Hi there YouTube, this is Chief Survival coming back at you again with another video. Today I got my September EDC update. And it's a little late, been away through the month, but whatever. So, haven't had much time, so let's get to it. Got a new belt. Nice. Same wallet. Keychain. Cotton bandana. Shearfield multi-tool. Headphones. Paracord bracelet. And here, oh wow, that is locked in there tight. I just have some fast acting Tylenol. It's extra strength. And then I got some heartburn pills. Never go wrong with both those things. And got my EDC knife. Shearfield. It is quite a nice knife. And I might mention it is sharp as hell. Yeah, right out of the box, very sharp knife. And I was kind of surprised because it's not spring assisted, but little flick of the finger. Oh. You can turn it. That's pretty quick. And I got my EDC container. Oop. Okay, that's not my EDC. That's my blood testing kit. Easy to mix them up. Here is my EDC container. Stuff. And do you believe nothing has changed? I know recently I had a lighter. I'm not sure if that's in the old video, but I think it still is. Still gotta get a Bic. I mean, not a Bic. Zippo. I plan on getting. But I don't think this has changed much. I do need to do probably an update on this. And these EDC videos they're doing pretty well when it comes to stuff you use. Oop, lost a bunch of my stuff. That's genius of me. I do think. Oh yeah, that's right. I still have do this review too. But I think another review I will do. So yeah, I still need to do a video on this. Had one but lost it, so I will try and do another video on that. Then I will probably I'll probably do an updated video on my pocket survival kit. I need to redo the cover, but I did a bunch of stuff, duct tape, lots of duct tape, 4 zip ties. Still need to get some water purification tablets and put them in here, but I'll probably do an update on that pretty quick. And what other videos do I have planned? Oh yeah, thinking about doing a review on this little hand crank flashlight. I'll probably do a little quick review on that too. I think that is all I have planned for right now. Work's been kind of crazy lately. I haven't had a whole lot of time to do videos. Yeah, I haven't had a whole lot of time to do more videos yet, but definitely try and get them out there. And as I mentioned in my last video, I want to do a giveaway, but still waiting on that 10th subscriber. So as soon as it hits 10, I will announce what kind of giveaway I will be doing. But still at 9. And in case you didn't at least see my last video, go back and check it out. I mean, it's a new interest and subscriber shout out. I gotta go in and name all my subscribers too. They recently jumped up in numbers, so I will go back and do a proper subscriber shout out. Well, I do believe that is all I got planned. And I really did a nice review on this one. I haven't. I will definitely do one. I think I have, though. Might have been a few months ago. But I think that is just about it for now. So this has been my September EDC update. I will be doing the October EDC update on October 1st. Been kind of delayed with these. I mean, I did my August one in September, so at least I'm getting better. But this has been Cheap Survival. Like, comment, subscribe. Over and out.